Hey, little geniuses, be honest with me for a second. Have you ever opened your book, stared at the first page, and suddenly felt so sleepy? Or maybe you touched your homework and your brain said, "Nope, not today." Why does this happen? Why does studying feel like a chore even when you want good grades? Well, today we're breaking down 3 big reasons your brain avoids studying and how you can outsmart it. Let's dive in. Children, here's a fun fact. Your brain uses 20% of your energy, even though it's only 2% of your body. That means the brain is always saving energy. So when it sees a long chapter or tricky math problem, your brain reacts like, "Whoa, that looks like a lot of work. Let's pretend we're bored." It's not laziness, it's biology. Example: you tell yourself, "I'll study for 1 hour." Your brain panics. 1 hour sounds like climbing a mountain. Trick to beat it. Use the 5-minute start. Tell your brain, "Let's just do 5 minutes." 5 minutes feels tiny, safe, and easy. And once you start, your brain realizes it's not that hard. Suddenly, 5 minutes becomes 15, then 30. You didn't become more disciplined. You just bypassed your brain's fear of starting. Here's a secret. Your brain pays attention when something feels important. If you don't know why you're learning something, it feels pointless. Your brain thinks, "Why are we doing this?" Example: fractions seem boring until you try cutting a pizza fairly. Geography seems useless until you want to travel the world. Trick to beat it. Train your brain to ask one simple question. How does this help me in real life? Once your brain sees a purpose, studying becomes more exciting. Your brain loves games. Points, levels, timers, rewards. That stuff activates your brain's dopamine system, the part that makes learning feel enjoyable. But normal studying, no points, no rewards, no fun. So your brain checks out. Example: 2 kids clean a room. One cleans normally, the other plays a game. 10 points for every item. Guess who finishes first? The gamer. Every time. Trick to beat it. Turn studying into a mini game. Use a timer. Give yourself points. Create levels. Reward yourself after finishing a page. Gamifying studying makes your brain think, "Oh, this is fun." So, children, you don't dislike studying because you're lazy. Your brain avoids hard starts, gets bored without meaning, and loves fun but hates chores. But with tiny starts, real-life purpose, and mini games, studying becomes easier and sometimes even fun. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Little Genius Club for more brain-friendly learning adventures. See you next time!